An air fryer can be a game changer for quick, healthy meals without all the oil. And with so many options on the market, finding the right one can make all the difference. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Top Picks today. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best air fryers available on the market. We'll explore each model's unique features, cooking versatility, and overall value to help you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. You will find all the links to the products mentioned in this video in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Chefman Digital Air Fryer. Starting our list at number 5, we have the Chefman Digital Air Fryer. This air fryer lets you enjoy crispy, delicious meals with up to 98% less oil than traditional frying, making it a healthier choice without losing out on flavor. With 4 one-touch presets for favorites like French fries, chicken, fish, and meat, it takes the guesswork out of cooking, so you can get started in seconds. It also includes a handy LED shake reminder, so you know exactly when to give your food a toss for that perfect crisp. With a temperature range from 200 to 400 degrees. The Chefman Digital Air Fryer can handle any meal, and the dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup quick and easy. Its compact design is great for countertops, while still big enough to serve 3-4 people. If you're looking for a quick and healthy way to enjoy your favorite meals, this air fryer is definitely one to check out. Number 4. Instant Vortex. In the 4th position, we have the Instant Vortex 6 quarts XL Air Fryer. This 4-in-1 appliance lets you air fry, broil, roast, and reheat, bringing tons of cooking options to your countertop. Thanks to its even crisp technology, you get that perfect golden, crispy finish every time. Great for wings, roasted veggies, and more. With one-touch smart programs, you can make favorites like garlicky potatoes or even cinnamon buns in seconds. The quick preheat means you can go from frozen to crispy fast, and its wide temperature range from 120 to 400 degrees gives you lots of flexibility. Cleanup? Super easy with its non-stick dishwasher-safe basket and tray. The Instant Vortex is compact but still spacious, handling meals for 4-6 people. You also get access to the Instant Brands Connect app with over 100 recipes to keep things exciting. And it's packed with safety features like overheat protection and auto off, which makes it a reliable choice for quick, delicious meals. Number 3. Philips 3000 Series Air Fryer. In the 3rd position is the Philips 3000 Series Air Fryer, with 13 cooking functions, including frying, baking, grilling, roasting, and reheating. This air fryer brings impressive versatility to your kitchen. Featuring rapid air technology, it provides crispy results with up to 90% less fat, allowing you to enjoy healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. Philips' unique starfish design circulates heat evenly for faster cooking, delivering a perfect crisp on the outside while keeping the inside tender. The 4.1-liter capacity handles up to 1.8 pounds of food, making it ideal for preparing up to 4 portions. It also offers a temperature range from 40 to 400 degrees, giving you full control over your cooking. A digital touchscreen with 7 presets makes cooking easy, and the Keep Warm function ensures your food stays hot until you're ready to serve. For extra inspiration, the Philips Kitchen app includes hundreds of recipes and tips to elevate your cooking. If you're seeking a reliable way to create tasty, healthy meals at home, this air fryer is a fantastic choice. Number 2. Cosori Air Fryer Pro. In the 2nd position, we have the Cosori Air Fryer Pro 5.8 quart. This smart air fryer takes convenience to the next level with remote app and voice control capabilities. Using the free VSync app, you can control the fryer from anywhere, monitor progress, and receive real-time updates. Plus, it's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for hands-free cooking. With access to over 200 online recipes, the Cosori Air Fryer guides you step by step, automatically setting the right temperature and time with just a tap. It also features a scan-to-cook function, letting you scan a variety of frozen foods for easy instructions and nutritional details. For healthier cooking, this model uses up to 85% less oil than traditional frying, so you can enjoy your favorites guilt-free. It offers 12 cooking functions, including 10 customizable presets, along with preheat and keep warm settings for perfect results every time. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup a breeze. Just remember, it requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for VSync compatibility, and the Smart Control function requires pressing Start Cancel on the fryer for activation. With a temperature range of 170 to 400 degrees, 120 volts, and 1700 watts, this Kosori air fryer is ETL listed for safety, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile, user-friendly kitchen appliance. Number 1. Ninja DZ 201 Air Fryer. Winning the top spot as a luxury option, we have the Ninja DZ 201 8-quart air fryer. This premium air fryer is perfect for those looking for ultimate convenience and versatility. Its standout feature is 2 independent baskets, allowing you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously. No need for back-to-back cooking. It also includes Smart Finish and Match Cook. With Smart Finish, you can cook 2 foods in different ways and have them finish at the same time. Match Cook simply copies settings across both baskets. With an 8-quart capacity, it's ideal for family-sized meals, letting you cook up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings at once. This model offers 6-in-1 functionality, including air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate, covering all your cooking needs. Plus, it's a healthier option, using up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. The wide temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to do everything from gentle dehydration to quick, crispy cooking. Cleanup is also a breeze. Both baskets and crisper plates are dishwasher safe. If you're after the ultimate in air frying convenience, the Ninja DZ 201 is a fantastic choice. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best air fryers on the market. Whether you're looking for a compact option for quick meals, a multifunctional model for all your cooking needs, or something that can handle larger portions for family dinners, there's an air fryer here for every kitchen and every budget. Each of these models offers unique features, from innovative cooking technology to user-friendly controls, making healthy meals easier than ever. You'll find links to all the products mentioned in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment to support the channel, and stay tuned to Top Picks Today for more tech reviews and buying guides. Until next time.